Everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna study graph theory, and we'll do the basic part today, and after that we'll go to advanced level. So this is very important. Already I think you know that graph theory is very important for everyone. And so at first, for graph theory, so at first we have to know the definition of graph. So graph is a set of vertices and edges. So graph have two things, one set of vertex and one set of edges. Vertex contains finite number of vertex and edge contains finite number of edges. This is vertex set and this is edge set. Okay, so mainly graph is two types. We can say that graph is two types: directed graph, or we can say it digraph, and another one is undirected graph. So mainly two things. So at first we have to know what is undirected graph and what is directed graph. So at first, directed graph. A graph G is a set of vertices and edges where each edge that belongs to the edge set E, okay, that belongs to Vi to Vj is directed. Like if we can say it that this is the edge Ek and this is between V1 and Vj. So this is vertex Vi and this is vertex Vj and this is the edge Ek, and we can say this edge as arc. Okay, and undirected graph. Same way we can say Ek belongs to Vi comma Vj for each edge belongs to E. Like this is Vi and this is Vj and this is the edge Ek and this is undirected. Okay, so what we have to now see some example of directed graph. So this is one directed graph. Each edge have its direction. And what is undirected graph? Just vertex and edge, no directions. So we have to see some definition. Now some important definition. Okay, so at first, adjacent vertex. Okay, so what is adjacent vertex? There is a common edge. Okay, like see, this is V1 and V2. There is a edge that is common between V1 and V2. So V1 and V2 are adjacent vertices. And the second thing is adjacent edge. So what is adjacent edge? Common vertex. Okay, like so let's say it is E1 and it is E2. So and this is Vk. So Vk is common between these two. So E1 and E2 are adjacent edge, and there is a common vertex we have said, that is Vk. Okay, this is the case of. And now self loop. Okay, this loop like this. From a vertex is coming to the same vertex. And another thing, multi edges. See, this is very basic thing. You have to clear about this because after that we are gonna do many hard things. So this thing, if these things are clear, rest of the part is easy for you. So there is two vertex and multiple edge between them. Okay, this is self loop, this is multi edge. So after that there are mainly three kind of graphs. One is simple graph, second thing is multi graph, and third thing is pseudo or general graph. Okay, there is mainly three types of graph: pseudo, general, multi-graph and simple graph. Okay, so there are some restrictions like self loop and multi edge. Okay, so in a simple graph there is no self loop, no multi edge. In multi graph there is no self loop but there can be multi edge, and in pseudo everything is allowed. Now we will see some example. Okay, like we have draw some graph 1 2 3 4 A B C D E F. So you can see there is no self loop and no multi edge, so we can say that this is simple graph. Okay, now what is multi graph? There is no self loop but there is multiple edges, so we can see this as multi graph. And the third thing, general or pseudo graph, there is everything is allowed, like say this. So this is a general or pseudo graph. Okay, this much clear.